How to make your TikTok account private.
To start out, go to your profile page. Next, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. If a box like this didn't pop up, there may be a gear icon in the top right corner. That would be another place to look. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy with the icon of a lock next to it. Here at the very top, under Discoverability, you'll see a little toggle switch that says Private Account. All you have to do is toggle that switch on, wait for it to load, and there you go. My account's now private. If you want to make your account public again, all you have to do is go back to this page and then toggle Private Account off. You can see it gives you a little bit of information here asking if to confirm that you want to switch to a public account again. If you do, just go ahead and tap on the switch button. That's really all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.